Hello everybody, my name is Gravvy and I am going to teach you how to create a proper Battlefield 4 server banner that will show on the loading screen every time a player connects to your server. Now, I'm using Photoshop, but you can use whichever photo editing software you choose. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, we're going to create a new document. Now, our width for this document is going to be 760. Our height is going to be 186. Alright, now let's go ahead and just create a quick little banner here. Just nothing fancy, nothing special. My BF4 server banner. Alright, now once you have that set, let's go ahead and change the image size on it. So if you're using Photoshop, you can go to image size, or you can use shortcut Control-Alt-I. Now, first things first here, depending on what photo editing software you use, with Photoshop you have this option for constrain proportions. Now you're going to want to deselect that. Now we're going to change the image size to 500 by 165. Now you click OK. Now it's going to look like it's a little bunched up, a little scrunched, but it's okay. It'll work out in the end. Now let's go ahead and save this. Now you're going to have to save this as a JPEG. You can name it whatever you want. For now, we're going to choose my BF4 banner. These are my settings that I use for when I save a JPEG. You can use whichever one you want, but it really doesn't matter. I would suggest that you use the best quality. That way so it's nice, clear, and crisp. Alright, now that we have saved that, what we are going to do is we're going to upload our server banner. Now, what we found out is that most web hosts out there, they don't really let you, or doesn't really work well with Battlefield 4 with pulling the image. So we're going to go ahead and use Imager. It's nice, easy, it's free, and your image will always be up there. So after we upload this, we are going to go ahead and copy the URL for the server banner. Next step here is to go ahead and go to your Fragnet Game CP panel. Now you're going to go to Game Servers. You're going to choose, excuse me, you're going to choose your game server. Go to the default config files. Find the Startup.txt. Go to Edit. And we're going to edit one variable in here. So now we're going to find vars.bannerURL, and yours will look like this with nothing in the quotation marks. You're going to want to go ahead and paste that image URL into between the two quotes. Now you save that, and then you go ahead, you come back to your panel after it's saved to your game server, and you're going to want to run a restart. Now once you restart, it's going to take roughly 3 to 5 minutes for it to update on Battlelog. Between that time, your server is actually going to disappear on Battlelog for a moment while it restarts, reboots, and resends the new information to Battlelog. Once that's done, you can go to Battlelog. If you have the Better Battlelog plugin or extension for your browser, you'll be able to see a preview of your banner on your full server page. So for instance here, we're able to see our full server banner right here. It looks scrunched up on this page. Don't worry, the loading screen, it'll full out. Now what you want to do, go ahead and test it out. Alright, now we're going to test out to make sure the banner showed up correctly. If you followed everything that I explained so far, it should show up without a problem. Now while this loads here, let me go over one quick thing here. Well, it's gone ahead and loaded faster than I thought. Now you see right here, your server banner has popped up to the original dimensions that you have set when you first created the image before you resized it. Thing I did want to go over with you is I just want to make this clear, you have to make it a JPEG. Do not use PNG, GIF, or any sort of format other than JPEG. It will not work. Alright folks, that is how you do a Battlefield 4 server banner. If you have anything else you'd like me to show you how to do, just go ahead, post a reply, let me know, and I will see what I can do. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for learning a little bit. And guys have fun, create your banner, and I'll see you guys on the battlefield.